Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, before we go into the video, I would like to use this opportunity to thank those few people that subscribe to my YouTube channel and then used to watch my video whenever I upload. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. So, I think I got something for you. Wow, do you like it? This is for only those people that subscribe to my YouTube channel and then take action whenever they watch my video. So, do you want to be among those people? Yes or no? If yes, all what you need to do is to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel down below and then click the notification bell for more of my videos. That's all what you need to do. In today's video, we will look at a step-by-step way to make guaranteed income online through affiliate program using simple and easy method of my mentor, Wesley $1 billion Virgin. Believe me when I say that this real man changed my life. His advice, method, program, and everything is real. So I know that you want to know more about my mentor, Wesley $1 billion Virgin, right? Cool down and wait for my new video that I'm about to upload soon. I will share all what you need to know about Wesley Billion Virgin. But right now, I want you to focus on today's video, most especially the method. Let's go into the affiliate marketing video and start making guaranteed income online. So this is the affiliate website that I'm about to share with you. So I will first share with you the website, what the website is meant for, and then how you can earn money using the method of my mentor Wesley $1 billion. So his work, his method, his progress, his achievements is all well. All what he's doing as well. So you can see in the website that there is a place that they write join, advertise, and in. So that word join is to register to sign up for affiliate program. So advertise is to advertise their product, is to advertise their good, is to promote their product, and then in is for you to earn money. So this website will help you to earn a lot of money, most especially if you're more interested in furnitures, office equipment, and many or what you need to do if you want to like follow the guidance of this website on how you can advertise or earn money through the website is to come down here and there with all listing, read it all from first to last, then you will go on and take action. But if you follow my method, then you don't have to read all this thing, you just have to watch the video, you just have to sit down and then give me your attention, pay your attention, and then watch the video, take action. The important fact in this video is the method, not what you want to read, which is this one. So follow me. You can come here and then sign up. Your first name, your last name, your email, and your password. Then you can fill the rest. You can fill the rest whenever you come here. I don't want you to be confused. Or what you need to do, whether you have website or you don't have website, you can put your Facebook link, I think. So you can go and then scratch a link, your social media URL address, and then put it there. So that's to own your own website, or you don't have to be famous before you earn money through this website. And people used to tell you that, oh, what you need to do is to have website. Oh, if I don't want you to like follow the advice or the thing that they will discourage you by telling you that before you earn or before you gain money through this website, you have to get your own personal website, or you have to be famous, you have to be popular. No. So if you follow my method, you will earn a lot of money. Sign up, then you would come here and then log in. Come down and put your email address and then your password, then you will log in. So immediately as you log in, they will share with you this thing. They will give you, or they will create your own personal you. So whenever you want to advertise, or you want, and then click creatives. So come down and put office. If what you want to advertise is office equipment or office material, then you click into office and then look for what you are interested or what you like to advertise. You will look for the picture of what you want to advertise. So this is okay for you, then you can come here and then click into it and then download it. So that's it, that's all what you need to do. Then you will go through the next step. So the next step is to look for any social media, any place that have profit, any place that have people, like your Facebook, your Instagram, your WhatsApp. You can go to your Google too and then look for any website, and then look for place that you can leave your comments and then your link. So that's the method. So using this link, I think we will use Facebook for this link. I think that's the best way. That's the best way to have many and many people. So we will use Facebook for this method. So as you log in through your Facebook account, you can come down and then look for where to search. So if you want to search, if you do not forget, I pick what I would advise on is on office equipment. So I will come here and then search for office equipment. So whenever you search for office equipment, would appear. So you will come and then click into post, and then you will search. Wow, do you see this one? Then you can comment here. Hi guys, are you for perfect office or match your office? Then I recommend you to click this link, or click into this link, and then purchase the best equipment. So equipment, I think that is okay. And then you will put the link, and then you will copy the comments. You will copy what you commented. So and then you can post it. So whenever you comment, then you will not say that no, I'm done, I will just leave it like this. No, you will go and look for another place, another post again. You can see many posts. You can see many posts, and you can come here and then comment in. If you want to comment again, so you can come here and then click into the and then post your comments. So that's the method. So the method here that I'm about to share with you, I want you to know that whenever you're affiliate marketer, the best way for you to earn money is to leave your link in any place, to comment. And what you have to do is you will go and look for those people that are interested in your product and what you are advertising it and what you are selling, and then leave your link there. So that's all what you need to do. You can come down again and then leave your link here. You can leave your link. You can come back. You see I leave more than the two link here. So you can come down again and then leave your link. I think you can leave your link here. Let me go down and you. So all what I want you to do is to try and leave your link in many places. So you have to do this method if you want to in, or you want to promote yourself and someone's products. If you want to earn a lot of money, then you have to leave your link. You have to look for pay or page in your Facebook, your WhatsApp, your Instagram, and many social media like that, and then leave your link. Comment with your link. Comment. Leave like 100 or 150 every day, and then leave your link there. That's all what you need to do. So that's the best method here. If you are not popular and you don't have any website, then I think if you follow this method, then you will earn a lot of money through affiliate program. So but if you don't want to like use this link, then I think you have to go and then look for website and then start that you can be famous with. So if you were not famous, that's the best method for you. So if watching the video, that's all what you need to know, and that's the method. So if you follow me through my next video, I will share with you the history of the success of my mentor Wesley Billion Dollar, how he started, what he faced, the challenge, the difficulties, what he do, and then he what he do and then achieve his dream. So thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.